Okay, let's look at a second set of problems. We are still writing the equations in standard form. So remember standard form, ax plus by equals c. We want integers for a, b, and c, which means we want to get rid of all the fractions, and we want this first term to be a positive number. So if you're given 2 points, it's logical from there we need to start by finding a slope. So let's use our slope formula. So it looks like I get a slope of 3/8. I have 2 choices here. I could either figure out the slope-intercept form of the equation first, and then we're back to the problems like we did up here in the first section. But I think it's going to be a little easier to use point-slope form. Okay, since we have a slope and we have 2 points to pick from, I think it's going to be easiest to use point-slope form and then put it into standard form. So let's look at our equation. Let's just use the first point. Going to have y minus 1 equals m, which is 3/8, x minus -3. That's going to change to x plus +3. Let's distribute the 3/8. We need to clear our fractions. So let's multiply both sides by 8. That's going to help us get rid of that denominator. So there's not a lot of room here. Okay, on this side, I would have 8y minus 8. On the other side, when I multiply these by 8, the denominators cancel. So I get 3x plus 9. I need to take the x term to the other side, so I'm going to subtract 3x. And I need to get this constant term to the other side, so I'm going to do that here also by adding 8. Save a little room. So that's going to give me negative 3x plus 8y equals 17. And then I need to get rid of that negative, so I'm going to multiply every term by -1, which really just switches all the signs. And there we have it in standard form. So if you're given 2 points, find the slope first, and then use point-slope form. Just pick one of your points and use your slope. Plug that in, and then you just have to do a lot of algebra work to get rid of your fractions, get your x and y term on the left side, and make sure that first term is a positive.